Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very important for your examination. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started.
Question number 1. There were covered drains on both sides of the streets of. So correct answer is option B. Harappan cities. Question number 2. Water and garbage from outside houses flowed into the main underground drain in. Correct answer is option C. Harappan civilization. Question number 3. Harappan cities were divided into two parts. Correct answer is option B. Citadel and Lower Town. Question number 4. The upper part of the Harappan civilization towns is described as. Correct answer is option C. Citadel. Question number 5. Evidences of fire altars were found in Harappan cities of. Correct answer is option C. Kalibangan and Lothal. Question number 6. The Great Bath, Mohenjo-daro, was made watertight with thick layer of. Correct answer is option C. Bitumen, natural tar. Question number 7. Mohenjo-daro site of Harappan civilization is situated on the bank of. Correct answer is option B. Indus River. Question number 8. The Great Bath was a public water tank located in. Correct answer is option C. Mohenjo-daro. Question 9. Harappa is an Indus Valley site located in. Correct answer is option B. Pakistan. Question number 10. The Indus River Valley civilization is considered. Correct answer is option D. Bronze Age society. Question number 11. Indus Valley civilization is also known as. Correct answer is option C. Harappan civilization. Question number 12. Harappa is situated on the bank of. Correct answer is option B. Ravi River. Question number 13. Mehergarh is located near the Bolan Pass on the Kutchi Plains of. Correct answer is option C. Pakistan. Question number 14. Archaeological site Chirand is located at which district of Bihar? Correct answer is option A. Saran. Question number 15. Archaeological site Hallur is located in. Correct answer is option C. Haveri, Karnataka. Question number 16. Archaeological site Mahagara is located in. Correct answer is option C. Allahabad, UP. Question 17. Eastern part of the Harappan cities is located is called. Option C. Lower city. Question 18. Metal of Harappan civilization obtained from present-day Rajasthan and Oman is. Correct answer option D. Copper. Question 19. The Director General of Archaeological Survey of India at the time of Indus Valley excavation was. Correct answer is option B. John Marshall. Question number 20. The Harappan civilization belongs to. Correct answer is option C. Bronze Age. Question number 21. Harappan sites in Montgomery, Pakistan was discovered by. Correct answer is option C. Dara Sahini, 1921. Question number 22. Mohenjo-daro in Larkana Sindh, Pakistan was discovered by. Correct answer is option A. R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Question number 23. Lothal, a dockyard located in Gujarat, was discovered by. Correct answer is option B. S. R. Rao. Question number 24. The terracotta model of a plough was found in. Correct answer is option C. Banavali, Haryana. Question number 25. The citadel and Great Bath were situated in. Correct answer is option C. Mohenjo-daro. Question 26. The largest Harappan site in India is. Correct answer is option C. Rakhigarhi in Haryana. Question 27. Daimabad, a prehistoric site, is located in. Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. Question 28. Mahagara, the prehistoric site providing evidence of cattle rearing, is located in. Correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 29. Koldevha is an archaeological site located in. Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 30. Burjahom and Gofkral are the Neolithic sites located in. Correct answer is option C. Kashmir. Question number 31. Alamgirpur site of Indus Valley Civilization is located in. So the correct answer is option B. Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 32. Great Bath, Bronze Dancing Girl and Seal of Pashupati Mahadev were found in. Correct answer is option C. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 33. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa show that these were magnificent and well planned. Correct answer is option B. Merchant cities. Question number 34. The longest inscription found on a Harappan seal consists of. Correct answer is option C. 26 signs. Question number 35. The animal motifs found on the cylindrical seals of the Indus region. Correct answer is option C. Humped bull. Question number 36. The first astronomical observatory of the Harappan civilization was found at. Correct answer is option C. Dhulavira, Gujarat. Question 37. Large quantities of ostrich eggshells were found during the Paleolithic period in India at. Correct answer is option C. Patne, Maharashtra. Question number 38. Iron Age is named for the adoption of iron material for tools and weapons because it mostly replaced. Correct answer is option A. Bronze. Question number 39. In Lothal, the drains for the drainage system were made of. Correct answer is option B. Burnt bricks. Question number 40. Port and dockyard, single citadel, rice husk, chess game were found in. So the correct answer is option D. Lothal. Question 41. Poetry was first traceable to. Correct answer is option C. Neolithic period. Question 42. The first and longest part of the Stone Age was. Correct answer is option D, Paleolithic period. Question number 43. Humans made stone tools in. Correct answer is option D, Paleolithic period. Question 44. The period between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods of the Stone Age was. Option B, Mesolithic period. Question 45. Hand axes, choppers, and cleavers were the tools of. Correct answer is option C, Paleolithic period. Question 46. New Stone Age is also known as. Correct answer is option B, Neolithic age. Question number 47. Weapons made of bones were found in. Correct answer is option B, Burjahom and Chirand. Question 48. Burjahom, Chirand, and Mehergarh were the sites of. Correct answer is option C, Neolithic age. Question 49. Neolithic sites of Chirand situated in. Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Question number 50. Burjahom is located in. Correct answer is option B, Kashmir. Question 51. Dholavira is located in. Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question 52. Dholavira was discovered in 1968 by. Correct answer is option C, J.P. Joshi. Question number 53. The first astronomical observatory of the Harappan civilization was located in. Correct answer is option C, Dholavira. Question 54. Dholavira is situated on the banks of. Correct answer is option D, River Luni. Question 55. Water harvesting system, water reservoir, dams, and embankments were found in. Correct answer is option C, Dholavira. Question 56. Underground drainage systems, and systematic town planning were found in. Correct answer is option C, Indus Valley civilization. Question 57. Indus Valley civilization was a. Correct answer is option C, Bronze Age civilization. Question 58. Great bath used for rituals was found in. Correct answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. Question 59. In India, the practice of erecting megaliths began. Correct answer is option C, 3000 years ago. Question 60. Nilaskal, Hanamsagar, Junapani, Hiribenakal are. Correct answer is option C, megalith sites. Question 61. Mehergarh is situated in. Correct answer is option C, Baluchistan, Pakistan. Question 62. In 1974, Mehergarh was discovered by. Correct answer is option C, Jean-Francois Jarez. Question 63. Hunski, a Paleolithic site located in. Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Question 16.4. Mohenjo-daro belongs to. Correct answer is option C, Indus Valley civilization. Question 65. Mohenjo-daro was excavated by R.D. Banerjee in. Correct answer is option B, 1922. Question 66. Cotton was probably grown at Mehrgarh from about? Option C 7,000 years ago. Question 67. Harappa city existed in? Correct answer is option C. Indus Valley civilization. Question number 68. A Harappan town was located on Khadir Bed in the reign of Kutch. Correct answer is option B. Dholavira. Question 69. Bhimbetka, a Paleolithic site, is located in? Correct answer is option B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 70. Harappa city, Jogna Khera, is located in? Correct answer is option B. Haryana. Question number 71. Ostriches were found in India during? Correct answer is option D. Paleolithic age. Question number 72. Jadeite stone was found in the sites of? Correct answer is option C. Dausali heading. Question number 73. Chatal Huyuk was one of the most famous sites of? Correct answer is option B. Neolithic periods. Question 74. In Harappan cities, the higher and smaller western area was called? Correct answer is option B. Citadel. Question 75. Metal was used to make weapons and tools in Harappan cities. Correct answer is option C. Copper. Question 76. Harappan brought gold from present day. Correct answer is option B. Karnataka. Question 77. Square or rectangular house remains were found in? Correct answer is option D. Mehergarh site. Question 78. The word Indica came from the Indus is called in Sanskrit. Correct answer is option D. Sindhu. Question 79. The duration of the Mesolithic period is from? Correct answer is option B. 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. Question 80. Rakhigari, largest Harappan site of India, is located in? Correct answer is option B. Haryana. Question 81. In Harappan architecture, storehouses, great bath, fire altars were part of? Correct answer is option B. Citadel. Question 82. Shape of the great bath of Mohenjo-daro was? Correct answer is option B. Rectangular. Question 83. Most of the Harappan seals were made of? Correct answer is option B. Steatite. Question 84. The salt is a tool from? Correct answer is option D. Neolithic period. Question 85. Small stone tools used by early humans are called? Correct answer is option C. Microliths. Question 86. Shortgai, a Harappan site is located in? Correct answer is option B. Afghanistan. Question 87. Ropar is situated on the banks of? Correct answer is option B. Satluj River. Question 88. The archaeological site of Atranji Khera is located in? Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 89. A site of Indus Valley civilization which is located in Punjab, India is. Correct answer is option B. Roper. Question number 90. During the Indus Valley period, shells for craft production were procured from. Correct answer is option A. Nageshwar. Question number 91. Nataraj, a stone male dancing figure, was discovered from. Correct answer is option B. Harappa. Question number 92. Uruk is an ancient site of. Correct answer is option B. Mesopotamia. Question number 93. R.M. Wheeler undertook the excavation of Harappa in. Correct answer is option C. 1946. Question number 94. In 1944, the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India was. Correct answer is option C. R.M. Wheeler. Question 95. An animal frequently seen on the seals of the Harappan civilization is. Correct answer is option B. Bull. Question 96. Janhudro, city of Harappan civilization, was almost exclusively devoted to. Correct answer is option B. Craft production. Question 97. Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Neolithic period are the chronological sequence of. Correct answer is option B. Prehistoric period. Question number 98. A team of German and Italian archaeologists began surface explorations at Mohenjo-daro in. Correct answer is option C. 1980. Question 99. Material used to make beads in the Harappan civilization was. Correct answer is option B. Carnelian stone. Question 100. Archaeological site of Surkotara is situated in. Correct answer is option D. Gujarat. Question 101. Harappa city was discovered in the year 1920 to 21, situated on river. Correct answer is option B. Ravi. Question 102. First metal used by man was. Correct answer is option B. Copper. Question number 103. In the civilization site that has evidence of water reservoirs is. So correct answer is option C. Dholavira. Question 104. The people of Indus Valley civilization worshipped. Correct answer is option B. Pashupati. Question 105. Kuldeva is a Neolithic site in. Correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 106. The Harappan city that was divided into three parts, Citadel, Middle Town, and Lower Town was. Correct answer is option C. Dholavira. Question 107. The bronze statues of Harappan civilization were made using the. Correct answer is option B. Lost wet casting method. Question number 108. The Paleolithic age is divided into. Correct answer is option B. 3 stages. Question number 109. The Harappan structure, which had a thin lining of bitumen to prevent seepage of water. Correct answer is option C. Great Bath. Question 110. The terms citadel and lower town are associated with. Correct answer is option D. Harappa civilization. Question 111. A terracotta plaque has been found at a Harappan site presently located in. Correct answer is option B. Haryana. Question 112. A dockyard-like structure was found at a Harappan site named. Correct answer is option C. Lothal. Question 113. The statue of priest king has been found in. Correct answer is option B. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 114. Evidence of a ploughed field has been found in. Correct answer is option A. Kali Bangan. Question 115. The dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro is made of. Correct answer is option C. Bronze. Question 116. An inscription comprising 10 large-sized signs of Harappan script was found at. Correct answer is option C. Dholavira. Question 117. Furrow marks were found in the Harappan site of. Correct answer is option B. Kali Bangan. Question 118. A Harappan city divided into three parts, each surrounded by massive stone walls was. Correct answer is option B. Dholavira. Question 119. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro was made watertight with a layer of. Correct answer is option C. Natural tar. Question 120. The ancient Harappan site of Lothal is located in the present-day Indian state of. Correct answer is option B. Gujarat.
Question number 121. Remains of the Harappan civilization at the Lothal site were discovered by. Correct answer is option B. S.R. Rao. Question number 122. Pit houses dug into the ground with steps leading into them were found at. Correct answer is option C. Buzhum. Question 123. Khirasara, Balakot and Lothal were port towns of. Correct answer is option C. Indus Valley civilization. Question number 124. Houses of the Indus Valley civilization generally had rooms built around a. Correct answer is option C. Courtyard. Question 125. Mesopotamian people of Tigris-Euphrates valley called Indus Valley civilization as. Correct answer is option B. Meluha. Question 126. Father of Indian archaeology is. Correct answer option C. Alexander Cunningham. Question 127. Alexander Cunningham became the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, that is ASI, in. Correct answer is option B. 1871. Question 128. Fire altars of Harappan culture were found in. Correct answer is option B. Lothal and Kalibangan. Question 129. Chalcolithic culture site named Daimabad is located in. Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. Question number 130. Dholavira, Rangpur and Amarpura archaeological sites are located in. Correct answer is option B. Gujarat. Question number 131. Archaeological site of Surkuttada is situated in. Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Question 132. Harappan site Amri is located in. Correct answer is option C, Sindh, Pakistan. Question number 33. Kalibangan, a Harappan site on the bank of river Ghaggar, was discovered in 1951 by. Correct answer is option C, Amlanam Ghosh. Question 134. Evidence of a large open area with terraced stands identified as a stadium is found in the Harappan site of. Correct answer is option B, Dholavira. Question 135. Banavali, an archaeological site in Haryana, was excavated by. Correct answer is option C, R.S. Bisht. Question 136. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is a. Correct answer is option C, Paleolithic site. Question 137. Kalibangan, Balathan, Karanpura, Baror sites are located in. Correct answer option B, Rajasthan. Question 138. Lothal was a famous port town during. Correct answer option D, Indus Valley civilization. Question 139. Surkutada, a Harappan site, is in Gujarat, was discovered in 1964 by. Correct answer option B, J.P. Joshi. Question 140. Evidence of domestication of dogs in ancient India was found at. Correct answer is option B, Burzahum. Question 141. The northernmost site of Indus Valley civilization is. Correct answer is option A, Manda. Question 142. Goladhora site related to Indus Valley civilization is located in. Correct answer option C, Gujarat. Question 143. Skull of a Homo erectus was found in prehistoric Indian site of. Correct answer option B, Hatnora. Question 144. Charak Samhita was written by. Correct answer option B, Maharishi Charak. Question 145. Another name for Indus Valley civilization is. Correct answer option C, Harappan civilization. Question 146. Largest Indian site of Indus Valley in the civilization is. Correct answer option D, Rakhigarhi. Question 147. The caves of Bhimbetka were discovered by. Correct answer option B, Dr. Vishnudhar Pakankar. Question 148. The rock cave in India where most paintings are found is. Correct answer option C, Bhimbetka. Question 149. The Chalcolithic age is also known as. Correct answer option C, Copper age. Question number 150. Evidence of domestication of animal in the Mesolithic period is found in. Correct answer option B, Bagor. Question 151. Archaeological site Sambol is located in. Correct answer option A, Punjab. Question 152. Ceramics similar to Anartha tradition were first reported from. Correct answer option B, Surkotada. Question 153. Mesolithic site Pesra is located in. Correct answer option B, Bihar. Question 154. Levallois technique refers to correct answer option B. Making prehistoric flake tools. Question 155. Several large cisterns and reservoirs have been found in the citadel and lower town areas of the Harappan city of correct answer option B. Option B. Dholavira. Question 156. The Harappan civilization site Mandi is situated in correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 157. The easternmost site of Harappan civilization is correct answer is option C. Alamgirpur. Question 158. The southernmost site of Indus Valley civilization is correct answer is option A. Daimabad. Question 159. The tree shape found in the seal of the Indus Valley civilization is correct answer is option D. People tree. Question 160. Which civilization in the Indian subcontinent was unaware of the horse? Correct answer is option C. Indus Valley civilization. Question 161. The cultivation of food grains started in correct answer option C. Neolithic age. Question 162. Dogs were cremated in human burials at correct answer option C. Burjahom. Question 163. The most ancient evidence of systematic farming in India is found at correct answer option B. Mehergarh. Question 164. From the contents of the Copenhagen Museum, a triangular division of the Stone, Bronze, and Iron Age was done by correct answer option B. Thomson. Question 165. River Valley, from where the first human fossils was found. Correct answer option B. Narmada Valley. Question 166. Robert Bruce Foote found the first pre-Stone Age tools in India in correct answer option B. 1863 AD. Question 167. The ideal of Matri Devi made from bone in the Paleolithic age was found in correct answer is option B. Belan Valley. Question 168. Sarai Nahar Rai and Mahadaha are associated with correct answer option C. Mesolithic age culture of Ganga Valley. Question 169. Three human skeletons from the same grave were found from correct answer option B. Damdama. Question 170. The ancient most evidence of buffalo farming in the Indian subcontinent is found from correct answer option C. Mehergarh. Question 171. The ancient most evidence of paddy cultivation in the Ganga Valley is found in correct answer is option A. Lahora Deva. Question 172. The archaeological site of Inamgaon is situated in correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Question 173. Navdatoli, Madhya Pradesh was excavated by correct answer is option C. H.D. Kankalia. Question 174. The early Harappan site which provides evidence of fortification is correct answer is option C. Kalibangan. Question 175. The main source of knowledge about Harappan civilization is correct answer option B. Archaeological excavations. Question 176. The polity of the Harappan people as derived from the material evidence was correct answer option C. Theocratic unitary. Question 177. Measuring scale of elephant tusk in Harappan context is found from. Correct answer option A. Lothal. Thanks for watching.